Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in YouTube on eSound app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up an eSound application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, eSound application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. So what you have to do is go to the settings interface. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access the settings from here. From these options, what you have to do is find the option for player and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the player interface. At bottom of this interface, you'll be able to find the option for login with YouTube. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to log in with YouTube. Simply tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to sign in. Tap on the option sign in. Now enter your credentials over here. Enter your email or phone. Now tap on the option next. Now enter your password over here. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now after entering the password, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be logged into your YouTube account. Simply tap on the option back to the app. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into YouTube on eSound app. So that is how you log in YouTube on eSound app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.